Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I thought I'd do something different and new. I'm going to be journaling. This is my first time journaling, so I thought that maybe we can do it together. I will list all the products that I use down below in the description, so there you can find out everything that I was using today. I got this journal at Staples, and I've never really had a bullet journal before, and so I decided to go with that one. I had already started journaling for April, but by then there was only 1 week left, so this is what I did for April. A lot of big things happened in the last week and a half, and so I had plenty to fill in. I did all of the stickers and the drawings and the pictures, and so I thought I would fill my journal with that and kind of have maybe like a flower theme to it. So that's what I really liked about it. And so now here we go on to a new month. Because of everything going on, I thought that for this month I kind of wanted to do a Disney or Disneyland theme, just because I'm missing the park so much. And so I thought I would fill it with some of my favorite things from Disneyland. So for the little calendar that I wanted to have at the beginning, I just did this quickly in Procreate and came up with this Sorcerer Mickey calendar, and then a little side pocket for important dates, things that are coming up. May is my birth month, so definitely going to be putting that in there. I also found this really cute little pencil box at the Dollar Tree. It is so adorable and it fits a lot of stuff in there, and so that's going to be the materials that I'm using today. Now to set everything inside, I'm going to be pasting it with normal just glue sticks. That's all I really have right now. It's a little hard to go out and get things, so I'm just going to use what I have at home and just glue it right in there. So now they're all pasted in there, really nice. It will fold better once I close it, but now I have empty space to fill in for the important dates. And here's just a little close-up of everything. So now on to the next pages. I'm gonna just be clipping it so that way it stays open. So I am a Disney pass holder, and so I do have a lot of stuff related to Disney, and one of the things I was able to find was at my local Goodwill. I had a couple of old videos, and so what I did was I took the outside of that and the videos, the VCRs and everything I don't have anymore, but I still have these papers, so I thought it'd be cool to put into the book. Sorry, journal, not book. And then I have a couple Polaroids that I took, and a couple of like little pictures, stuff that I got from Disneyland. And so I thought that it would be cool just to have them on the different pages while I fill out my sketchbook. I'll list some of the stickers that I have bought from other shops down below, so that way you can find them too. And I actually made this. I had penny presses and maps that I wasn't using anymore. I just cut up the map and started pasting in with hot glue the penny presses. And so I hot glued them to the map, and then I put watercolor paper to keep it flat, so that way when I write on the next pages it's still a flat side in there, and so I'll be pasting that in there as well. So for some reason the footage is gone, but I decided to use the Pixar as a little part for my bills, and then I put the paper with the map and the watercolor next to it. And so now I'm just going to kind of make something, a place where I could put my ideas down for videos and stuff like that. I thought it would be really cute to have favorite photos of the month in there, and so I have some of these. One is of me and my dog taking a nap, and the other is my boyfriend doing school and stuff. And so here I am going to start doing the days of the week, and I have these really cool paint markers. They're kind of like Posca pens, but with different kinds of colors. I do have Posca pens. There are a lot of pastel colors, so I'm going to be using both, and I'll list where you can get them down below as well. So the stickers that I'm using here are from a shop called Critterosity. I'll go ahead and leave her link down below. They are really cute, good quality stickers, and so I just wanted to have them in my book since I do have a bunch of stickers that I'll be using today. And so now here's me just doing the days of the week and kind of filling them out. I don't have the best handwriting, and so I just figured, you know, this is for me and it's okay if I don't have the best handwriting. I think maybe next time I'll use stickers, but for right now it works for me. I know what day of the week it is, I know the date, so it should be fine. So what was really cool is that my birthday has its own little page, so I thought I would save the favorites little trinkets that I have for that day, and I put a little page for birthday memories, or I could put pictures or things like that I got from my birthday in there, so I thought it would be fun. But here is the flip through of the whole month of May. All these stickers on the front of my sketchbook are done by me, and I'll go ahead and list that down below as well. And thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoy watching me journal and plan my month. If you like this video, give me a like and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more, and I will definitely be seeing you guys next time. Thanks for watching.